Muscle car fans, it's official, the roar of the future is electric. The 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona isn't just back, it's redefining what a modern muscle car can be. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest rides without the hype, just facts and fun. Design. Let's talk looks. The 2026 Daytona holds nothing back. With its bold fastback silhouette, wide stance, and that throwback-inspired front light bar, this car demands attention. Dodge has managed to blend retro cues with a futuristic edge, and the result is a head-turner that still looks unmistakably like a Charger. Performance. Now to the big question, can an electric muscle car still feel like a muscle car? The answer, absolutely. The Daytona EV delivers jaw-dropping acceleration, especially in the high-performance Scat Pack and Banshee variants. With instant torque and the new Fretonic chambered exhaust that simulates a powerful engine note, it still gives you that visceral muscle car experience. Just without the gas. Features and technology. Inside, the cabin feels both sporty and modern. You get a large curved display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, performance-focused drive modes, and a digital cockpit that puts you in command. Dodge also includes over-the-air updates and advanced driver assistance features, giving you tech that keeps up with the times, without taking away the raw feel of the drive. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona proves that electric doesn't mean boring, it means bold. But what do you think? Does it live up to the legacy? Drop a comment below, hit that like button if this helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on tomorrow's rides. Catch you in the next one.